G'day.
Hi.
I'm visiting from Adelaide
All right.
and I'm interviewing people about what it's like to live in Darwin.
I don't think it can fit me. I have a big head. I reckon we should have more homeless shelters.
Do you feel like there's not enough support for homeless people?
Yeah, there's not enough support for homeless people.
Today is my final day here in Darwin. I'm flying out in a couple of hours, so I decided that I'd spend a bit of time just rolling the streets, taking in the culture, and maybe even chatting to a local or two. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
I've just spotted a bunch of people sitting on the wall over here, so I might pop over and see if I can have a chat with one of them. G'day.
Hi.
I'm visiting from Adelaide
All right.
and I'm interviewing random people about what it's like to live in Darwin. Do you want to pop over on the wall over here? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. How long have you been living in Darwin for?
I was homeless for nearly 3 years now.
Yep.
Yeah, but living in Darwin is very good and very down to earth, multicultural, and when we all combine, like collaborate and stuff, it's really good.
Do you want to share your story, your background? Have you always, where'd you grow up?
I grew up in Daly River. It's about 250 k's southwest from here. It's a small community, indigenous community, and I decided to move from home because I was looking for work, still looking for work. I used to work in the health department. It's not about qualifications and stuff, but nowadays you have to have licenses.
If you could change one thing about Darwin, what would it be?
I reckon we should have more homeless shelters.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you feel like there's not enough support for homeless people?
Yeah, there's not enough support for homeless people.
Do you know many people in Darwin with disabilities?
They live homeless too as well.
Yeah.
But they do have help and
Yeah.
resources that can help them out with everyday living, and
Yeah.
they get support. I had aspergillus growing behind my L4 and L5 lumbar
Yeah.
vertebrae.
So you've got a disability too?
Yeah, and I had 2 heart attacks because it runs in my family, it's hereditary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wild. Oh, well, sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. And I hope that you manage to find some work soon.
Yes,
I pray for you too.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, bud.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
That was nice chatting with Rome. I had no idea, but he has a spinal cord injury and has had 2 heart attacks. So Rome lives with disability. And it's interesting though, because sometimes you can't tell if people live with disability just by looking at them. It'd be fantastic to see support for homeless people that live in Darwin, and not just in Darwin, but all around Australia. Anthony Albanese, if you're watching this video, please do more to support homeless people living in Darwin, because Rome is right. Homeless people here, they need more support. Coming up. My trip has come to an end and I'm leaving the hotel, and it's very sad to say goodbye to Pickles, the most adorable bird in the world.